guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Craft Queen and today you're gonna meet my mom. Well, at least her work. And she is not having a YouTube channel. She is not on any media. But this is the person where I get my crafting things from. She is a card making, and she asked me 4 years ago if I like to go with her on a craft fair. She never went to one, neither do I. So we went together to a craft fair, and she is many years making cards. And when she get there, she was totally, oh, wow. And me, I was, card making is not my thing. But I saw there some stands with having mini albums. And that's why I hooked up. So, Mom, thank you. Anyway, a few months ago, I get so much nice free stuff from different brands. And I got overwhelmed and I asked my mom, do you like this paper? And yes, of course she does. And she made a few items of it, and I saw she did such amazing thing with them. So I thought, give it to me and I will show my crafty friends what you made of these. So first, Mom, thank you very much for lending me your art project. And I wish you were here so you can show my crafty friends together with me. But yeah, she is even more shy than I am. But I will show you a few things she made. Alright, so let's go to the first card. She made a card, and this is from Laser Love, the vintage boy. And she made a few nice cards that totally was from the leftover pieces. And once I am done filming, of course I will give it back to her so she can give it away to the person who gets a nice baby boy. Alright, I really love how she turns out. And now you see she used some light blue for the back. The background of this, so you can see that is totally gorgeous, but it's different than I would do it. But now you can see with light blue this paper comes really good to his yeah, I call that, you know what I mean. And then she also maybe has the baby girl with light pink on the background. Oh, this is the front. And so this is the baby vintage girl, also made with the leftovers. Oh, she did a nice edge all the way around. And she made some tuck spots. And here again, this opens up and then this goes to the top. And I think this is a big pocket. Yes, it is. And here is also a nice big pocket. And I always had to make a laugh because when I finish an album, I will show it to her, of course, and then she always, oh, I can do this on cards, and oh, I can use that, and oh, I can, oh, you get me so much inspiration. Yeah, I really love that. So yeah, she used a lot of her inspiration on her cards from me. I really like that. Let's see what else. Oh yeah, this is from, I believe, Craft O'Clock. And look how big this big card is. So it's almost a little page actually. And that is why where she gets the inspiration of, because she also make mini albums. Since I make mini albums, she is doing that too. She really loved that, but she is still love making cards. She can't stop making cards. See, this is also a thing that I use sometimes in an album. And so she gets inspired. Yay! whoever thought that I get my mom inspired to make a nice card. I even have to see how things turns back. And I think, yeah, this is a nice big pull out. So you see, it's awesome. Cool. So can you imagine how people react if they get such a big, nice card? It's a card. It's not a page. It's a card. But you still can make this in an album. Ooh. Let me see. Oh dear. This one I got this year for my birthday. So from the leftovers from Graphic 45. I really like that, and she knows I like dogs, and that is also a thing she always do. She finds some images that fits for the person. So I like dogs, so she put a dog image in it, and I don't know why I get this boom in it, this witchy thing, but don't know why, but I think that's no meaning. Just a nice little tuck spot right there, and a little card right here under this big belly band, and she took a photo of me. So cool. This goes back in here, and here she, oh yeah, I love craft stores. I don't know where she got this from. I never went to this store, but anyway. She pointed it out, so really cute, so cool. So yeah, she really makes a card personal. Look at this, also an image of me. And this one too. And of course a nice dog. So yeah, she makes a nice, oh, she even makes a nice, how you call that? Visiting card. Because she makes a lot of cards, and also for other people. Let's see, again we have some Graphic 45 leftovers, which I normally give to my mom so she can make cards of them, and normally she will, oh, I think this should be on the front. Oh yeah, I promised her that I will glue that down for her, and she'll do that. See, this is the nice way that I always, not always, sometimes use as a stopper. And let's see, this should, oh yeah, this flips to the left. See, use my things that I use in an album too. Cool. So this is a great way to use your leftover pieces. And here's another one. Just make a nice card from your leftover piece, and to create a nice card. Oh, this flips open, and then we have a pocket. So cool. I really like this closure with this clock thing, and then a nice sideway, and here she tried also to use every single piece. I love it. So cool. Alright, so 2 cards to go. This is also from Craft O'Clock, I believe. Yeah, the Prince, the Baby Prince paper collection. Really nice with this light blue on the back. So cool. I got so much from Craft O'Clock that I had to share it with my mom and with another friend of mine. So cool. Look at how cute this is. Oh my gosh, I love it. And then also the princess. Look at this. This is amazing. And a really nice thick one. Just opened up. And a little tuck spot. Here is a little tuck spot as well. A little pocket. And then you can write the name in here. And then in the middle this flips up with a nice pocket in here. So cool. And on the back it's this one. Now for these two, I believe she made these after that she made 2 albums. So if you have leftovers, then it's always nice to make cards. Well, I'm not a card maker, so I normally give my leftovers to my mom because she can use it. So let's go to her albums. Let's do first the girl one. So this is what she creates on the outside, and I asked her to test out the contact paper from Craft to Clock. I have no time yet to try it out myself, but she actually really loved it, especially the full sheet. So you don't have to use anything else, only the contact paper, and then you can wrap your cover completely. And it looks very cute and very nice, and they do have it in all kind of design papers, also some wooden backgrounds or anything. So it's really a good to use on any occasion. But these are really cute for these baby vintage, not vintage, these baby albums. And so let's open this up. Let's go inside. So she's normally a card maker, but since I am doing albums, she wanted to do that too. And so you can see she is the same artist as I am. And in the beginning she was asking, oh, I do not have enough papers. I told her, Mom, you do have enough. You just have to cut your paper wisely. So I went to her and I gave her a few tips. And then she even has leftovers. So yeah, it's a great way of using all of the papers, just cutting it wide, probably, and I really love these papers. It was actually a shame that I should get rid of it, but oh, it was for a good cause, because wow, she did an amazing job. Look, and here are 3 little tags in this pocket. I recently did this also, my Graphic 45 project. So it always comes back in her albums. Yay! So cool. And on the top, special delivery. And then on the last page, look, she made also a nice pocket on here. And this flips to the right, and here you have little pockets where you can pull out, and then flips. Oh yeah, and this was a special pocket. So cute. Yeah. Alright, let's see this. Yeah, and this goes back, and then it closes down with this ribbon. So let's go to the baby boy album. Then we go to the baby boy. Oh, this is the front. And this also opens with a ribbon. I don't know if she uses exactly the same inside. I think she do. Yeah. Look how this blue matches to the back. This is really awesome. Yeah, this is pretty much the same as the other one. So I really go quickly. Look at this. Amazing. Yay. So cute. This is awesome. Mom, you really made a fantastic album. Oh, this is a leftover. Dream big little one. Oh, and here she made a nice belly band with a stopper. So cool. And a nice big tag. Oh, I think this opens up again. And then in here there is also a pocket. So cool. Yeah, and sometimes she wanted to add more images to it, like she normally do on her cards, but I say no, please don't. People who get this want to make to save the place for putting her photos in. So don't add too much. Don't add anything at all. We wanted to make a baby album that, oh, this is also very nice, Mom. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna steal this from you. I like this. So you have a nice half star shape. Oh my. Yeah, I'm going to use this. Mom, I'm gonna steal that idea from you. Oh, I think this, yeah, this goes this way. And she also made some ribbon and paper to cover up the inside. I love it. So it's so nice to see what she creates with it. And yeah, I just wanted to show you that many things that I do get from, oh wait, and I can't use it all. I just can't. I can't use every single thing that nice people send to me to promote their papers, and I should be, but I can't. I get so many nice things that I don't have time to use it all. So this is a little way of that I wanted to show you guys that it has a good home of all the things that I get, and yeah. So Mom, thank you so much for making all these nice cards. You are truly, again, also a very good artist, and now my crafty friends see where I get it from. Alright, so this was my little Meet My Mom video. So I wanted to show you what she always liked to make, and she's also a crafter, as you can see. So this is where I get it from. Alright, so thank you very much for watching, and I hope you liked what you see. Bye bye.